Hey guys, Super Chef here, just doing a little impromptu video. Right now I'm waiting for a tow truck to come and pick up my Subaru. I was driving to work this morning and was getting low on fuel. I don't think this has anything to do with the problem, but I'm pretty sure my alternator stopped working on the drive because all of a sudden I kind of noticed my dashboard lights were getting dim. My gauges were starting to flicker up and down. And then the ABS light came on. I checked to see if my alternator belt had snapped like it has before, but it didn't, so I'm gonna assume that the alternator was toast. Now the thing is that for the last few weeks I've heard a little bit of a squeal coming from the belt. So last night I tightened up the belt a little bit, not too much, and I'm assuming that the squeal that I was getting was the alternator starting to drag. Perhaps the brushes and armature and all the fun jazz that's inside there stopped working. So right now I'm just waiting for the tow truck, and I think when I get home I'll show you how to quickly change the alternator on a 2000 to 2004 Subaru Outback, Legacy, Impreza, anything that has a 2.5 liter natural aspirated engine. So stay tuned. So I've got the battery load tester on. I've put a little charge on the battery, and I've turned on all of the equipment in the vehicle, lights, heater, and all that other crap. We've got it hooked up to the positive and negative on the battery, and you can see that the charging system, if it'll focus, is not getting any, it's not working at all. So not going down that much, but I'm gonna have to replace the alternator because clearly it's not doing its job. That's the belt there, tensioner here. Okay. It's the tensioner there. There's the locking nut. I just put that on the battery for now. Positive connector. Lock washer. Come on. Oh, me. Undo that. Okay. So from here, you can flip this up to get that clip. And that's just a pinch clip. Take your alternator bolt out. There you go. Installation is the exact opposite of what you remove it. So drop the front down, put the back bracket on, do up all your bolts, put on your belt, hook up your battery, and then fire it up. Alright, so it's all been reinstalled, and as you can see on my battery load tester, the charging system is now working. That alternator looks gross and dirty and greasy, but it is definitely working. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and tap the little bell for notifications.